formally commence this grand evening, it's an honor to welcome a distinguished leader whose vision and guidance have been instrumental in our journey. His commitment to education and unwavering support have paved the way for the success and growth of Bethel Group of Institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Reverend Dr. N. Dureda, Chairman of Bethel Group of Schools, to deliver the welcome address.
Very good evening to you all, and it is my great pleasure and also with all happiness I am here to welcome you all for this grand festival celebration of 42nd annual day of our school. Truly it is a long journey that we have passed through. I remember the day when the school was initially open with just 2 children and 1 teacher and 1 principal. That's way back somewhere in 1983. It is a starting point, but by the grace of God, we have over 2,500 students over the 42 years of journey, and we are very thankful to God for all things what God has done in our midst. So much so, many dignitaries and also many VIPs have visited our school and also the school functions. So always it is our privilege and honor to welcome all the VIPs and all the teachers and all the parents and all the dear students. In our midst, Dr. Sai Prakash Leomuthi is here, and is very well known in the Tamil Nadu and in India as well as in overseas also. He is known as a young digital era educationalist with dedication and determination. And welcome you, sir, for this program. And we are very much honored by your presence here. And he is the CEO of the whole school as well as the institutions, Sai Educational Institutions. He is a very busy man and as well as he is very dedicated. We had opportunity to meet him 2 or 3 times, and he was more enthusiastic and energetic in his approach, in his aptitude, and we hope that the same spirit will continue and he will do wonders, and he will leave many institutions and he will be a successful person. We welcome you, sir, for this day. Also, we welcome the president of the function, Mrs. Meena Nagarajan. We happened to meet her just 2 days back. Welcome you, madam, for this function. And also we are grateful for your presence over here. And she's doing a lot of social work as well as especially the matching the couple and the Kalyana Malai and the Solakudi and the Nirvanate பொறுப்பேற்று இது அநேக தொழில் மற்றும் அநேக காரியங்களிலே அவர் ஈடுபட்டு பொது சேவையிலும் தனிப்பட்ட முறையிலும் அநேக காரியங்களை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார்கள். அவர்களை வரவேற்பதிலே நாங்கள் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறோம். அடுத்தபடியாக Mr. Peter Sagaraj is there, and is the real estate and retirement housing expert. So he is expert in a different field. We thank you, sir, for your presence, and also you are here to honor us and also as well as to give your valuable suggestions for the school. Also in our midst, Pastor Deanton is here and his wife is here. We welcome both of you for your presence. And more so, for your prayers, there's the back support to us. We are thankful to you, for your family, for your ministries. We welcome all our dear parents for these functions, because you are the one who was going to witness the program. வந்திருக்கும் பெற்றோர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் நாங்கள் நன்றி செலுத்துகிறோம். ஏனென்றால் இதில் முக்கிய பொறுப்பு உங்களுக்கு தான் இருக்குது. நீங்கள் தான் பிள்ளைகளை உற்சாகப்படுத்த போகிறீங்க. உங்களோட பிள்ளைங்க, உங்களோட பேர பிள்ளைங்க, உங்களோட தலைமுறை உள்ள பிள்ளைங்க இதில் பங்குகிறார்கள். வந்திருக்கும் எல்லா பெற்றோர்களுக்காகவும் நன்றி செலுத்துகிறோம். அதே வேளையில் we welcome all the teachers also who have been working with us for years together, something 25, 30 and all 30 வருஷமாக 20 வருஷமாக எங்களோடு கூட நீங்கள் உழைத்திருக்கிறீங்க. உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் நன்றி செலுத்துகிறோம். உங்களுடைய எல்லா கடின உறுப்புகளுக்காக ஸ்தோத்திரம். கடைசியாக மாணவ செல்வங்களை நாங்கள் அதிகமாக நாங்கள் வாழ்த்துகிறோம். இது உங்களுடைய ப்ரோக்ராம். நீங்கள் இதிலே மகிழ்ந்து கழிவுற வேண்டும். அநேகர் உதவி செய்தவருக்காக நாங்கள் நன்றி செலுத்துகிறோம். உங்களை யாவரையும் அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இந்த விழா ஒரு இனிதான விழாவாக இருப்பதாக. நன்றி, நன்றி, வணக்கம்.